In this video, we will explain how to draw this type of spatial distribution map using ArcMap software. So you must have ArcMap software. Now we must have Excel in this format. The Excel must have lat, long and the parameter of consideration. Here we are considering for Tripura state. There will be only numerical value. 0 or blank box is allowed, but no words like BDL, no sample will lead to error. Most importantly, the lat and long will be in the decimal format. In the description, I have given the link to convert the degree, minute, second to decimal point. So go and check. Now you can see here all the points are in decimal. We have to go to Google Chrome. Here you have to type country name like India, administrative map, save file, Arcgis, and then enter. At the top you can see Arcgis Hub. Open this link. Here you have to simply download this file and then open this file. It will take some time to open this file, so wait. Now at the left side you can see we have India state boundary, India district boundary, India Tehsil boundary. We have to right click on India district boundary and select open attribute table. As we are doing for Tripura, we have to go down. Here it is given in alphabetic order and select all the para which contain Tripura. Then cut this from here. We can see that Tripura state is colored here. Now we have to export. For this we have to right click again and then data and export data. We can change this file name. We are doing this as a district boundary. Now click on OK and our export has done. And now we can remove remaining things by right clicking on each of these and then remove. Now we can zoom it out by mouse, bring it at the middle and zoom out it. Now click on this color box and select hollow, then OK. Now right click again on it and then edit label features. Then we can see here country name, so we have to go to properties. Here we have to go to labels. Here name 0 is for country, name 1 is for state and name 2 is for district. So we have to select the name 2 for district. And we can change font size and font style also. We are selecting Times New Roman and it is giving as 12. Then OK. Now we can see all the district name has appeared here. Now go to file and then export data. So add data and add XY data. The Excel file I showed earlier, it was in desktop, so we have to browse it. We have to go to desktop and the file is named as Tripura datasheet. So we have to select this file and the data are on sheet 1. So select sheet 1 and then add. Here XY field has automatically come as long and lat. We have to select the Z field. Here the parameter we want to draw the distribution curve. Have to select in the Z field. We are considering for electrical conductivity, so we are taking Esri. Then OK. So all the point has come in the map. So we have to again export this data. So right click on it and then go to data, export data. Here also we can change the name of the file. So after opening this export data file, we are keeping it as export output 5, then OK. And now we can remove this sheet 1 for simplicity. Right click on it, then remove. Now we have to go for geoprocessing. So select geoprocessing, then select arc toolbox. Now select spatial analysis tool, then interpolation, then IDW, double click on it. Now here input point will be that shape file, that is export output file, and Z value will be EC as we are doing for electrical conductivity distribution. Now go to environments, select processing extent. Here extent will be same as layer district boundary as we want our distribution along the boundary. Then go to raster analysis and mask our distribution within this boundary, so we have to select again district boundary and then OK. Again OK and cut this box. At the below we can see IDW is running, so our graph has come. Right click on this, we can double click on this, and here we have to go to display and then check symbology. Here we can change the class, color and the labels. So here we have the range from 0 to almost 797, so we can divide it in 5 class. So we are selecting class as 5, then we are labeling this from 0 to 150, 150 to 300 in this way, and our difference is 150. So make change in all this data. Now we can select the color as well, so we have to select this box and select the color you want to do, and then you can apply this one and check how it looks like. I have tried several colors and find which one looks better. You can also check in this way. Now it looks good. So our work is almost done. We have to now go to page layout, so we have to select this second box at the below. Now we have to draw this box to adjust within this box, so drag this up to this mark. Now right click on this image and click full extent. Now again click on this box, right click and go to properties. Now go to new grid and then this is okay, so next, and here degree will be 0, minute will be 30. For country we have to give degree 1, minute 0, but for state we have to give degree 0 and minute 30 in both the place, and then go to next and unbox the minor division, then next, then finish, then go to properties. We can change the font style as well. We are selecting Times New Roman and the size is 12. Then click on left and right box, then OK, then OK again. So our grid has also appeared. We have to adjust as lat and long is not appearing here, so we have to adjust it within the box. Now click in the insert at the top, and now you can type either title or text. If select text, then it will come in the middle, so click outside, then drag this to the top and then double click on it, and you can give the title of this map. Now change the symbol. Here we can change its font style. So we are giving Times New Roman and selecting it to 14 and then OK. Okay. So our title is little bit small in size, so we can change its font style again. We are making it bold and select it to 20. Then OK. And after applying, we can see it is now almost OK. Now go to insert section again. And now select the legend. Here left side we can see that it is IDW shape 20. So IDW shape 20 will be right, rest will be in left side. So we have to change this and then we can change its font style again. Now next, and we can select the border as well. Then next and finish. So we have to drag the legend in the blank space. Here we can see in legend there is IDW shape 20 and value, so we can click here and change its name. We are typing here electrical conductivity. Here the value can also be changed as EC, so we are clicking on it and it is written as EC in the bracket. Now here we can see that the legend has changed. So after clicking on the legend box boundary, we can adjust it within this box. Now click on insert section again. Now add north arrow. Select any one of these and then click on OK. Drag it to the top and zoom it out. Now go to insert section again. Now select scale bar. Select any one of the scale. We are selecting this one. Go to its properties and then change it to KMS. Now select OK and then OK. We have to drag this to the bottom. Now our map is ready. We have to export this map. So click on file, then export map. Save the file. So our map is exported. Now check how does it look like. So this is the map. Today's video is till that. Keep watching and subscribe my channel.